ask myself, am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, feel it still. We could fight a war for peace. Give in to that easy living, goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Stop flipping for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. It's time to give a little to the kids in the middle. Oh, till it falls, won't bother me. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. Yeah, your lovers and a bitch for my heart to eclipse now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Not I had your fill, but I feel it still.
Once when we were young, didn't care at all. Wish I could go back when we were young. Yes.
I would like to thank Metro Naga Development Council for 8-second Metro Naga Young Leaders Forum. Ini po dakulang bagay, lalong-lalo na po sa Samuyang Sangguniang Kabataan Federation.
Saro niyo sa naka-inspire sa kuya talaga. And dakulang katabangan po niyo, nga ni pong maging effective and efficient po ang Samuyang Public Service sa Himanwa-Ming Pilenya.
We've come. Once when we were young, didn't care at all. Staring at the sun like a crystal ball. Now we're on the run from what we become. Wish I could go back when we were young. Back when we were young.
Kasi talagang lahat nag-uumpisa sa pangarap. And palagi ko sinasabi to sa mga employees, sa mga anak ko, and to everybody, libre ang mangarap. And everything starts with a dream. All you need to do is dream, look out there, and there's something out there that we can bring from Bicol to the world.
So I encourage you to, against all odds, to just dream like we did and find yourselves on the other end of that conversation, celebrating a win.
And I'm excited to collaborate with all of you. Kung meron kayong maisip na idea on how to collaborate from Naga and Quezon City, let's talk about it.
Back when we were young. Back when we were young. Back when we were young.
Your journey as youth leaders should be something that promotes a change of the mind. You have to transform that mindset into active citizens who are aware of their power. You have the courage to assert them in the decision-making tables.
I need to change the minds of people. Prove to them at every point na I can do this. I'm competent. Huwag ka lang magpapatalo. Lalo na alam mo that you have something in you.
You just have to start dreaming. Libre lang naman mangarap talaga. And you also have to put in the work as well.
Let's remember that, we all have the power to contribute to a greater cause.
It is my privilege to grace this important gathering of the young leaders as well as members of the Metro Naga Development Council. Let us invest in our youth, invest in agribusiness, explore the limitless opportunities of agriculture para sa magsaganang bagong Pilipinas. Diyos mabalos po.
I'm very grateful to be part of this event, especially that I am a volunteer. I was able to acquire knowledge on how the event was going and ano ba yung mga kailangan ko pang improve.
How far we've come, keep holding strong. We can't go wrong if we never ever let go. There's so much more left to explore. We can't go wrong if we never let it get old. Once when we were young, didn't
Welcome to the second Metro Naga Young Leaders Forum. Together, let us ignite the flame of leadership and illuminate the path towards a brighter future for Metro Naga. Thank you and God bless us all.
back when we were young.
We are young leaders.
We are young leaders.
We are young leaders.
We are young leaders.